Alright, so we're going to do another auxiliary view of this drawing here. So this auxiliary elevation that we're going to do, we have a front and a plan. Let me just make sure that this dimension is correct. Alright, so we're going to draw this view at a 30-degree angle. Or rather on a 30-degree plane. So looking in this direction, we're going to project our lines from the plan view upwards, and we'll take our measurements from the front because the front has the heights. So what I'll do is use construction, and I'm just going to label a few points first. So we have this point here to the left, and then we have this point here to the right. Please note that these 2 points are here and here in our front view, and also here and here, because they're on the same line. Alright, so once that is understood, as we said, 30 degrees, so we're going to draw a line of a 60-degree angle, and we're going to project our lines across. Now when I project these lines, I'm going to project them a bit long, and I'm only using the 2 x's that I drew first. So note that this is the first x to the left, this left line, and this right line. So we have now projected those there. So this line that is here is now in between here, these 2 points. So we need the heights. I'll just change to my text layer because it's bright. So following this line goes up at 30. So we draw this up at 30. And it's the same thing on the other side, the same 30. And I'm going to draw those across to connect to one another. I'll then trim it. So we have just drawn this, this, and this. Alright? So now we're going to do the bottom pieces here. So note the bottom piece comes from this hidden detail. So note the bottom piece comes from this hidden detail here. So that's right here. We project that up, touch the line, and note that it goes up at 20. So we measure up 20. The other bottom piece is here, this hidden detail. Project, measure up 20. So that is our inner piece. Alright, so we have this piece. Just going to go over the lines. So those lines there are finished. And then I will label these lines at the bottom also. We'll just go over these lines at the bottom. Now, what we need to do is, this line here comes up at the side. So I should not have this piece here showing, because this is a smooth side or smooth face. So where does it come from? It comes from right here. Construction. So we follow that line straight down to over here. We hit it here, and then we come up at 20. And note that it goes across. We don't need to measure. We just need to project the lines. So it comes across here. And now we need to trim. So note that that is this figure here projected from the plan. So some persons might think that this goes up at an angle, but we'll keep it on this flat plane. So this point over here now, you bring that to the line. So we have in that left side, that left face there. So now we need to bring that up. We need to bring it across, and then we trim. Now what we're missing, we're also going to see a bit of this top face here, but it's important to make sure that the lines are projected across, because this line here comes from here, comes up. And then we just checking to see, we will see a yellow line here as well. I'm just checking for how far across it will go. This line comes across, but we will not see that in the background. So we'll just turn this yellow to our text. So this is our auxiliary view of this figure here. And we're looking at it from this side. So that is what it will look like.